let's understand the impact in terms of insurance. What happens to the insurance after the Air India plane crash? Harsh joins us with all the details.
Well, thank you so much. Let me first start off with what could be India's largest expense in terms of aviation insurance claim. It's going to be likely 1,000 crore plus affair in terms of potential liabilities. It's also in terms of scale and complexity. It's extremely large and very, very complex to understand all of the factors which will go into the insurance claim. Let me first start off with Air India, what they've done in terms of insuring their fleet. They've spent around 234 crore rupees in FY24 on insurance costs. This is as per their financial statements, and they have insured their fleet through a group company which is Tata AIG as well as other insurers. Now, as per protocol, you can't go beyond a certain threshold or a benchmark in insurance within aviation with a single insurer. So they've gone through multiple insurers, and those insurers have in turn also undertaken reinsurance both domestically through a New India, a GIC-RE, as well as globally through AIG. So there's a consortium led by AIG which has reinsured the entire insurance of Air India. There's no single insurer to bear risk, which means that the risk is spread. So how much of that risk materializes in India? Around 5 to 10% of the claims get materialized in India. So if you assume a 1,000 to 1,200 crore insurance claim, and I'll come to the numbers, around 100 to 120 odd crore or maybe 150 odd crore could be the exposure. The exposure, therefore, is not large in relative terms. There's extensive reinsurance as well, which will likely protect insurers, and the balance claims are likely to be covered by global reinsurers. Let's talk about aircraft and damage, and therefore the largest part of this insurance is going to be the hull damage to the aircraft, which is likely to get covered up to 700 odd crore rupees or 75 to 80 million US dollars. Let me also now talk about the more important and difficult part of this, which is insurance of passengers. This is covered under the Montreal Convention. The compensation is calculated through special drawing rights, and the approximate value of the special drawing rights will be around 170,000 US dollars, which translates to approximately 1.5 crore rupees per passenger. There's obviously a lot of third-party damage which has been done in this situation. Unfortunately, the collateral damage will also likely be insured, and all of that is obviously yet to fully be understood and translated. So the value as well as what kind of calculation actually goes in this third-party insurance claim that might come is yet to be fully ascertained.